Hey guys, your friend Ademi Oluwaseun is here, and almost of you are looking for different ways to earn extra money. So today I'm going to teach you how you can start freelancing journey and make money with Fiverr and Canva.com. So this is the Canva.com. Even if you're a complete beginner and don't have any experience in freelancing, you don't have to worry. No. This video is going to give you a clue on what to do, how to start. So as a complete beginner, you can just quickly walk down to my channel right here. So just go and scroll down, go to videos and start scrolling down. So you are going to see this particular video that will teach you on how to create your Fiverr account. Just try to watch these two videos, okay? Just try to watch these two videos, especially this one, right? This Fiverr arbitrage method, okay? So watch it. Then watch this to be deleted. Watch this, okay? So this first two is going to give you all the clues on how you can create a perfect Fiverr account, how to make a perfect gig inside your Fiverr account. So this first two video, this one and this one is going to give you all the clues that you actually need. Then this one is going to give you the clue to get rank, how you can rank. So these three videos, if you know that you really want to start a freelancing journey maybe in 2020, I will advise you to go for this three video first, even before you watch this current one that you are watching, right? So once you are able to create your Fiverr accounts, you create your Fiverr accounts, now the next thing is to create a gig. But before you create a gig, you must have know what that you want to sell, what you want to sell, which which gig that you want to create. Okay, so let's just go straight to the Fiverr right here itself. And I'm talking about Fiverr and Canva right here. So there are so many things that you can sell inside this Canva on Fiverr. There are so many things that you can sell inside this Fiverr and Canva. You can sell it to Fiverr guys, all right? And they are making cool money. First things is background remover. Let's just take background remover on Fiverr and let's see if it actually sells or it doesn't sell. So you can see that people are doing well with this thing. Like you can see this first guy says, I will remove background 25 image, which is within 5-10 minutes he has done with this 25 that he even promised with white or transparent background with $20. So you can see this guy. Let's just open it. You see that the guy has done like 571 orders successfully, and I knew that it's more than that, okay? But though you are only seeing those that they drop the feedback for him, and still have 3 orders on queue, right? So look at him. He said, I'm removing 25 easy products for you, okay? That is this is when you have a background, so you remove it on background. So then you can see, so from one background to on background, on picture have a background before. So how you can remove that background? Very simple with Canva is very simple. But the only thing that is here is that Canva, they have different plans. They have free plans, they have pro plans started from all the way from here. So you cannot do you remove the background with free plan. No, you cannot do that. You have to be a pro. That's the only issue. And if you want to become Fiverr Pro, you are going to be paying $10 per month. All right, $10 per month. Every month you have to be paying $10 per month. But guys, I'm going to help like 10 people out if you know that you really want to do this. So what you need to do is just to contact me on my Telegram handle, that is at PrinceGram 2019. At PrinceGram 2019. Just say I would like to have a Canva Pro, okay? So you will see how you can get your separate accounts with this Canva Pro, and we are going to use it for 3 years. 3 years, yes. And you will not be paying this $10 every month at all, right? So and you'll be using it for you. I'm going to use it for 3 years. So guys, with that, I think that will help you. Instead of paying $10 every month, you'll be able to use for 3 years. So just 10 people, all right? Just send message me on Telegram that you want Fiverr. This is not free service, right? Make sure that you know that it's not free, but I'm going to give you everything that you need to know on to have your own account for free and use it for 3 years. That is Canva Pro, all right? So now let me just quickly log into my own account right here. All right, so this is my own pro account, and now let's say someone iPhones. Let's just assume that I owns this, and look at this, guys. I just observed something right now. He said if you want to order ones, so you have a plan for that, but if you want to, you can also pay for subscription. So you can also subscribe for 3 months. So it means you will be giving them 5% every month when they order 5%. So you know the way these guys are just getting his customers, right? So now we now have this. Let me just try to screenshot this so that we can remove it. Okay, so let's say assume that this someone on Fiverr gave me an order and I want to process it to remove this background. So what you need to do is just go to your Fiverr account. When you get your Fiverr account, you can just click on create a design. When you click on create a design and click on this, you can just use this 1000 by 1000. So when you do that, you just need to know simple steps. You don't really need to know much to remove a background. Then what you need to do next is just to go to upload. Okay, see upload. So you're going to click on upload the media. When you get to upload the media, so let me just upload this so you can see. All right, so then you drag it. You can see I just click on it and it was dragged to this place. So you want to remove the background of this. So if you are using a free version, you won't be able to remove the background, but if you are using a pro, with ease, within twinkle of an eye, you will remove this background immediately, right? So then what you need to do, so let's assume that this is the image that the customer sent to me. So what you need to do, once you drag it to this place, all you need to do is just to go to edit image. When you click on edit image, you see PG remover. Okay, so just click on PG remover. You can see that it's loading right here. You can see it's loading. Let's wait a few seconds, a few minutes, seconds. So you see, can you see that right now? Can you see that we just removed the background right now? So I'll look at it with this. With this, so you can see that. So all you need to do now is just to download it. Just come to this place, then you can download on PNG. That is, it should not have any. You can see PNG quality image. That is, there shouldn't be any background with it. So once you download it, then you send it to the customer. Then it collects your cash from the customer. You can see that this is the easiest work that everyone can do, that you can do. Okay, so now this is very simple, guys, and you can see we have a lot of people that's doing it right here. This guy, you can see, has done 221. If you check it, I'm sure it's going to have another on queue. It's very sure that it's going to have another on queue. As you can see that you have just 2 orders on queue. And so now let me tell you, when you want to start, you don't need to start with big money that these guys are charging. I even tell them at least to get your customer first, that you can even do like 20 instead of this guy said. You can see this guy said 15 image within 1 to 3 hours on delivery. Very, very simple. You don't need 24 hours to do this. All right, you can see what I just did right now, that it doesn't take a minute, and I have removed the image. So now if you want to remove like 50 image, like within 5-10 minutes you have done and deliver to the clients that you want to work for. Okay, so guys, this is very, very simple. This job that this guy has done, look at what he has done. He has done a lot of jobs. So people from AliExpress, big websites, they be coming to that help us to remove the background, remove the background, because they want to, it's very important for them and they can't do it on their own. All right, so you can see he said he want to remove 30 image, that within few minutes he has done it. $10. So 100 image, $35, which people are even paying for. All right, which people are even paying for. And if you go to, let's go to the third one right here, sure that he may have order on queue as well. Okay, this one doesn't have any order on queue, as you can see that. So there is 3, he has done 380. He has done 380 order, has processed $380. I mean $380 orders successfully, right? So that one like that. Then there are other things like templates, like Facebook post templates, like Instagram. Like for example, now if you want to do for Instagram templates, you can see Instagram templates. So people are actually looking for this on Fiverr as well, right? People actually looking for this on Fiverr as well. Like you can see this guy, he has done 288, 216, 523, 25 with $700 right here. Imagine that. $50, $20, $40. So it depends. So you can just start small. Right, can just start small. This guy said, I will design Canva Instagram template for this Canva at this place. So you come to Instagram post. So you see Instagram post. So we have a bunch of templates right here, that you can sell to people depending on their what they want, depending on what they want. And so we have a lot of templates that you can sell out. So people can edit it. Maybe Instagram template in Canva, you can see that. So $25. I miss Instagram template in Canva. So 6 social media post templates. So they give you the content that they want, right? Once they give you the content that they want, then you make the post. For just like this one right here, if you want to make that one, all you need to do is just to go to templates. As I said earlier, you come to the template designer, so you choose a Instagram templates. Look for one template that you think that is perfect to use, right? So you just like this one. Let me click on it so that I can look very well. Just like this one. So the person will give you everything that's gonna the sell client will give you everything that you want on that post and the content. So as you can see here, your dress can stand almost anything. It is your mind you have convinced. So now to do, things that you can actually do with Canva and Fiverr. So they have a lot of things to do together. So you just need to be selling the templates that you like. Then we have something called infographics. Infographics. We have something called infographics. So you can also do infographics. It also sells on this platform, and you can do your infographics on this as well. So if you come to this place, you see infographics. Single graph. So you're going to see a lot of templates right here. You're going to see a lot of templates, as you can see. Let it finish loading. So we can see we have a bunch of templates for infographics. So the person will give you how you want it to be, the content. Then what you need to do is just to design. It depends. As you can see that these guys, they said educational infographics, comparison infographics, data infographic, information infographics, process. So it depends on what the business infographics as well. So it depends on what that person wants to use the infographics. So that is what will give you the edge, the tip to know which template you're going to choose. Okay, which template you're going to choose. So guys, you can try this out. It is possible for you to make money, but I'm not saying 100% you are going to make money with this, but of course, possibility, you have a lot of possibility to make money with this. All right, so we have different templates that can actually sell on Fiverr. If you are new to this channel, please, I want to click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell as well. so that whenever we drop a content like this, you will get updates that we just drop a new video. So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Washim.